Today, I want to talk about hip mobility, the mobility of your hips. Hip mobility is super important. If you do not have mobile hips, you're going to develop knee pain, you're going to develop back pain, you're going to walk funny, you're going to move funny. You just want good hip mobility. So, I'm going to show you a real simple way to start working on your own hip mobility today. You're going to sit, hopefully, in a seat that's slightly higher so that your feet are dangling. Now, I don't know where that is in your home, but you will find it. I'm pretty sure that you will. And what I want you to do is I want you to watch this, move your feet out without moving your knees out. See that? Now, what you're looking for is, number one, movement. Number two, you are looking for symmetrical movement, meaning does your left leg move as far out as your right leg? Now, I'm going to show you a little trick that I use to make it even more isolated into your hip joints. All you need is a ball about this size. Maybe it's a little bit bigger, maybe it's not much smaller, maybe it's a little bit bigger. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it in between your knees. And now from there, you are going to do the same thing. Oh my Lord. So what I did was I took out some substitutions that I was doing, and now I'm really isolating all the motion into that hip. Now look how little of a movement that is. My Lord. But I'm working on two things. I'm working on flexibility of my hip rotators, and I'm actually also working on strength of my hip rotators. So this is a fantastic exercise for you to both strengthen and stretch your hip. Go ahead and give it a try.